What's going on, you guys? Charlie here from MAPerformance, and if you drive an Evo 10 similar to this one and you plan on taking it to the track, or maybe the calipers that you have gotten to be a little bit old and crusty like mine were, then you're going to eventually need to know how to rebuild your Brembo brake calipers, the stock calipers on your Evo 10. So as you can see, we recently powder coated the brakes that we had for our Evo 10, which then means that we are going to have to rebuild them. So we got the calipers sent out, we just got them back in. We have our Girodisc Brembo rebuild kit, but I'm not gonna be the one who does the rebuild. As you guys know, Tiny is much more comfortable doing things like that than I am, and I wanna make sure that my brakes work when I'm on the track. So today we're gonna be having Tiny rebuild the brake calipers on our Evo 10, and he's gonna show you guys how to do it using the Girodisc Brembo gasket set. So without further ado, I'm gonna pass it off to Tiny so he can get you guys filled in on everything you're gonna need to know to rebuild your Evo 10 Brembo brake calipers. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's Tiny again, and like Charlie said, today we're going to be rebuilding some Evo 10 stock Brembo calipers. Our friends over at Girodisc make this great kit to rebuild your factory brakes on your Evo 10, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do today. It's always a good idea to rebuild your brake calipers if you're noticing any brake fluid leaks or if the dust boots are torn. That can cause some issues internally on the calipers. We went ahead and had these Evo 10 calipers powder coated, so they were disassembled, taken apart. So now we're going to go ahead and put them back together and rebuild them, and then bring you guys along with us. So when you're going ahead and putting these together, like I had mentioned earlier, these kits come with two seals, one for the piston and one is a dust cover for the piston. Make sure you coat the sealing O-ring with just a little bit of oil. That way you don't cause any binds when you're inserting the piston into the caliper. Then put the dust boot on and slide the piston back into the caliper. Make sure that there's no binds or any roughness when you slide the piston in, as it should go in firmly, but shouldn't fight you too much while you're sliding it back in. Repeat that process with however many other calipers you're putting back together, and then you'll be done.
All right, you guys, there you have it. If you're looking to get the Brembo brake rebuild kit for your Evo 10 stock Brembo brakes, go ahead and check that link down in the description below, where you'll find links to our site where you can get the Girodisc rebuild gasket sets for the front and for the rear. So there's two different links. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave us a big old thumbs up. It tells YouTube you like our content. Subscribe for more stuff just like this if you like the 5-Minute Fridays, and leave us a comment down below if you think there's other stuff that we should cover in the 5-Minute Friday segments. Don't shortchange us, be sure to leave those comments down below. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.